Ratio. Today I am discussing ratio. Ratio is nothing but the comparison between two physical quantities. Physical quantities or measurable quantities. For example, volume, mass. Physical quantities. Physical quantities. For example, mass, volume, area, etc. Length. Etc. For example, when you compare between two physical quantities, it is represented in the form of a ratio. Suppose A is a physical quantity and B is also a physical quantity. When they are compared, they are represented as A is to B. Written as this A is to B. A is to B. For example, suppose price of rice, weighing or having mass, weighing what? 5 kilogram is 230 rupees. And if we want to compare between the price and the weight or mass of rice, it will be written as price or cost is to weight as 230 is to 5 kg. Ratio of similar physical quantities has no unit. When we write a physical quantity, suppose we are writing mass of rice 5 kilogram. 5 kilogram. 5 is the numerical value and this is the unit. So unit is must or compulsory while writing a physical quantity. When there is a comparison between the two similar physical quantities, suppose weight of a car and weight of a bicycle. So weight of a car is, for example, 1000 kilogram, and that of a bicycle is 200 kilogram, for example. So it can be written as in this way: 1000 kilogram and is to 200 kilogram. Ratio A is to B can be represented in the fractional form A by B. A is to B equals to A by B. So when you compare two similar physical quantities, we write 200,000 kg suppose divided by 500 kg. Here units are same, so units are cancelled. That is comparison between two physical quantities or two similar physical quantities. When written in the form of ratio, ratio has got no unit. Now, for better enhancement of knowledge, that I studied in different classes, we should solve some problems. Suppose it is given A is to B equals to 2 is to 3 and B is to C, B is to C given 4 is to 5. Now what will be the value of A is to B is to C? What will be the value of? We have A is to B. A is to B, that is A by B equals to 2 by 3. The representation of ratio in the form of fraction, and B by C 4 is to 5. If I multiply the first ratio by 4, we have 8 divided by 12, and second ratio by 3, we have 12 by 15. Now, it is to notice that B, value of B 12 and B becomes 12. So B has become common. So if you want to find A is to B is to C, A is to B is to C, we can write A is to B is to C, we can write A 8, B 12 and C becomes 15. In this way, understanding the principles or concept of ratio, we can solve many more problems to come. Ratio not only essential, knowledge of ratio not only essential in mathematics, but also it is used in physics for measuring different. Here is a rectangle. It is given that this is the length of the rectangle, with the width or breadth of the rectangle. If it is given that ratio between length and breadth is 2 to 3, and it is also given the length equals to 40 centimeters. Then how to find the actual breadth of this figure? Let us take width or breadth equals to x centimeters. Now length is to breadth equals to 2 is to 3. That is length by breadth 2 is to 3. 2 by 3 is the rational form. Length is given 40 centimeter and we have supposed breadth x centimeter. And by solving this equation, we get cross multiplying 2 into x, that is 2x, 3 into 40, that is 120 centimeter. So x equals to 120 by 2, that is 60 centi. X equals to 60 centimeter. That is, the breadth becomes, the value of numerical value of breadth is 60 centimeter. The breadth equals to 60 centimeter. In this way, we can solve many more problems. That will be followed in my later classes. In the next classes, I will discuss about the proportion, which is very much related to ratio. Thank you for the day.